In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly replace the cabin air filter in your Hyundai Kona Electric. I want to be clear that I'm not a professional mechanic, so if you do anything from my videos, it's at your own risk. Hey Kona people, Rob here. First, you'll want to empty your glove compartment as everything's going to fall out anyway. Unless it's sticky for some reason. Next, turn these two plastic screws counterclockwise to loosen them. Yes, lefty-loosey. As the compartment comes down, it exposes the area that holds the filter. You just need to pinch this little section on the right side to open it up. Remove the plastic and then your filter. Note the arrow that indicates that the airflow goes from top to bottom. Mine is pretty clean as I just changed it last month, but if you've had yours in for more than a year, the top will likely be pretty dirty. If it's really bad, you can choose to pass your vacuum in there. Put your new filter in with the airflow arrow pointing down, and then put the plastic cover back on. On mine, there's a little bit of a trick to this. You don't want to push it all the way to the left and then try to snap it in, as you're going to have a real hard time clipping it in. So just gently put the left side in just so it holds, and then you'll effortlessly be able to clip the right side in. Lift the compartment back up, twist the plastic screws clockwise, righty-tighty, and you're done. Pro tip, always leave a pair of socks in your glove box because if you ever go out to someone's right after working in your shoes all day, you'll have a fresh pair to wear in their home. Plus, if it's raining and you step in a puddle, you don't have to keep wearing those gross wet ones all day. Please like and subscribe.